Hi, it's Angeline here. Are you obsessed with Unity stamp sequins? Because I know I am. So today I'm going to show you how you can use them on your card. First, I've already stamped this cute panda from Phyllis Harris, and I've cut out this frame using the Avery Elle die set. And I'm first gluing the panda to the frame before I start gluing down any sequins at all. So I'm just using some Elle Stacky glue here and just making sure that the panda piece is slightly larger than the frame to be able to adhere it down. Next, I'm grabbing the Unity stamp sequin mixes here in blues, purples, and see-through, and my mixed media glue from Thermoweb. So you want to start putting some adhesive to a small portion of your card first, because you don't want the glue to dry out. So here I'm just adding sequins of different sizes to my border, and this will create some interest by alternating the sizes. And to make my life easier, I've also plotted out the sequin on a piece of paper so that I can easily pick them out. So here is my sequin border all blinked up, and here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tip technique, and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!